For emergency managers tasked with safeguarding communities, assets, facilities, and infrastructure, Genasys Protective Communication Solutions provide unmatched end-to-end visibility and control, so you can be ready for the unexpected and the unavoidable. As a unified platform, Genasys Protect is the most comprehensive portfolio of preparedness, response, and analytic software and systems available. Genasys Protect takes a holistic, proactive approach built on a unique plan, act, optimize framework that provides a data-driven operating picture before, during, and after an event occurs. Our planning tools bring preparedness to a new level, enabling you to aggregate data sources, intelligently map locations, and simulate events before they happen. Our API-first architecture supports unmatched visibility into the areas, people, and assets you are protecting by incorporating real-time authoritative and custom data feeds. GIS maps, IPAWS, live traffic, CCTV, NOAA, IoT sensors, and more help provide complete situational awareness of your people, critical assets, and systems and infrastructure. Intelligently segment your communities based on population density, specific topography, and more with street-level precision. Or define and customize zones based on facilities or people with a focus as wide as a complete corporate campus or as specific as individual buildings and single rooms. This enables unmatched precision in critical communications and ensures the right people receive the right message at the right time. Stress test your response plans before you need them by using historical and real-time data to simulate location and industry-specific what-if scenarios. When a critical event does occur, Genasys Protect enables you to act quickly, reducing response times from hours to minutes. Send pre-configured alerts in as little as 2 clicks. Precisely target mass communications by zone or other criteria to ensure only the right people get the message. Saturate targeted response areas by simultaneously delivering notifications across personal devices, public notification systems, social media, and on installed or proprietary devices. Use real-time data to simulate future progress of the situation as it unfolds, and adapt accordingly by adjusting response plans and redeploying resources. Coordinate with local authorities in neighboring jurisdictions through a single operating picture that creates an orchestrated network of protection greater than the sum of its parts. With Genasys Protect, the resolution of one critical event is the beginning of a better, more effective response for the next. Analyze post-event data to see what worked in your response plan and where opportunities for stronger safeguards and more complete protection exist. Move forward and backward through your response execution, replaying key moments during the event to determine effectiveness and efficiency of all parties involved. Apply your learnings back to the plan phase to optimize response plans and future preparedness, creating a virtuous cycle of constant improvement. When a crisis occurs and those what-ifs come into play, you can be confident knowing that your people and assets are protected. Genasys is always by your side, so you are ready when it matters. Visit genasys.com/ready or call 1-855-GENESYS to request a demo.